think it's wonderful to have this continuous human presence in space. Almost 26 years now of continuous human presence, which is a really big deal.
Every orbit's a little bit different. So every time you look out the window, you're looking at a different city, at a different country, at a different part of our beautiful world. So it doesn't really ever get boring.
But we were all very excited about this lettuce that we've been growing up here. We don't get a lot of fresh green growing things. We get some fresh fruits and vegetables that come up on cargo vehicles, but most of our food is dehydrated or just warmed up.
That's because it's growing in 0G?
Yeah, actually, some of the previous experiments where we've grown different types of lettuces and vegetables, there are sometimes some differences with the plants that grow up here without gravity versus how they grow on Earth. This year, we've just come off of the solar maximum, which was last year. And so that means much more dramatic, much brighter, much more brilliant, larger displays of aurora on Earth from the Earth vantage point, and also up here. The green dancing aurora were right below us, passing over Earth and coming over the middle of the cupola. And it looked like a snake making its way right beneath us. And that was a really extraordinary one.
Imagine looking down at Earth from space and seeing the planet glowing beneath you. For NASA astronauts aboard the International Space Station, that incredible view is sometimes dominated by one of nature's most spectacular displays, the northern and southern lights. Astronauts have described auroras as some of the most breathtaking sights they have ever witnessed from orbit. From hundreds of kilometers above Earth, the lights can appear as enormous waves of green, red and other colors stretching across the atmosphere. NASA astronaut Jessica Meir has compared a particularly vivid aurora to a glowing green snake moving beneath the space station. From space, the phenomenon looks very different from the familiar curtains of light seen from the ground. The northern lights, known as the aurora borealis, appear mainly around the Arctic region, while the southern lights, or aurora australis, occur around Antarctica. But what causes them? The spectacle begins with activity from the sun. Charged particles released by the sun travel through space and can interact with Earth's magnetic field. Some of these particles are guided toward the polar regions, where they collide with gases in the upper atmosphere. Those collisions release energy as light, creating the colorful auroras we see in the night sky. For astronauts, however, the experience is even more extraordinary. Instead of seeing the lights against a dark horizon from the ground, they can watch the glowing atmosphere curve around the entire planet. The view is a powerful reminder that Earth is not just a planet beneath us. It is part of a constantly changing space environment. And for those lucky enough to witness it from orbit, the northern and southern lights may truly be one of the greatest cosmic shows on Earth.